Hi, today in front of me Infinix Smart 7 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So first, let's open the Muviz application. In AOD section, select one from the available ones which you will like and just tap to apply. So let's switch the brightness level. So we could here change the backgrounds if you want, the music controls to hide them after 10 seconds or never, to activate it or off, to show notifications, date and battery status always while charging or never. Click to X icons which add it to the settings, tap to always on display. We could activate or turn off the switcher to turn on or turn off the AOD option, to show it on lock screen always while charging, on music. We could decrease and increase the brightness level, to switch the AOD timeout, low power after timeout, to screen the screen orientation, change screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our Infinix phone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.